2, 1.
Flipping Big Rivers, Source to Sea Rhine edition. We thought we'd give you a quick overview of the route, and this is a map that we found actually here at Rhine Falls, which is the best map we've seen, which gives an overview of the River Rhine and its major tributaries. So we thought we'd go through that quickly. So it starts down here, Lake Thomazay in the Swiss Alps, where the river is the Rhine, where we went rafting. It's about 80 kilometres to this corner here, Chur, the oldest town in Switzerland. 80 kilometres up to the start of Lake Constance or Bodensee, about 50 kilometres across Bodensee, and then by the time you get to Basel, we went swimming in the Basel, the river's already done 350 kilometres. Then it turns north up the Rhine Valley, and it's quite interesting. You can see it really highlights here some of the major tributaries that flow into the river. And by the time we get to Mannheim, where the Neckar comes in, that's already 600 kilometres. And then carrying further north, you've got the Main coming in. This is where Bingen is where the Rhine Gorge starts and the wine area. By the time we get to Düsseldorf, we've done 870 kilometres. And then we flow into the Netherlands here, where the river then sort of splits. You can see there's many legs, and we talk a bit in some of our videos about the waterway engineering that they've done. By the time, so we are now in Rotterdam, which is sort of recognised as the official outlet of the Rhine, and that's 1,230 kilometres from its start down here. The 6 countries it goes through, so it starts in Switzerland, you've got Austria, briefly through Liechtenstein, then into Germany, back into Switzerland, briefly into France, back into Germany, and then finally exits into the North Sea through the Netherlands. So hopefully that gives you a bit of an understanding of the flow of the river through Europe. We're on our final day, day 8, and we're going to visit the Hook of Holland, which is where the river actually finally meets the North Sea.